Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CodeSurfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we'll see about the while loop. As in the last previous videos we saw about the for loop, and so as I said, the parameters are the same in these two loops. So in for loop we saw the initialization, then it was the condition, and then it was the updation, that was I plus plus or I minus minus. So these three parameters will be used in the while loop as well, but in the different way. So let me just clear this thing out and then we can start doing this while loop now. So the syntax for the while loop is a bit simpler. Like the initialization would be at the start of before starting the while loop. So for example, I'm initializing here I again, and its I equals to 0 with a semicolon at the end, but of course, and there will be this while keyword here with a parenthesis, and in this parenthesis there will be the condition. For example, here it is I less than or equals to 10. That means the loop will start from 0 and will end until it will reach 10, and then nothing would be here at the end, and the curly braces down here, and there will be our cout statement or whatever statement you want to run. Here I'm writing hello code surfer, and that's all for here. And again, the increment or decrement statement will be after this statement which you want to execute. So I'm putting here I plus plus as the updation, and that is the pretty much what we need for the while loop. So this is the while loop syntax, and as we saw in the last video, we'll simply jump on our code editor and see how these things work. So I'll open the code editor here, and so the code editor is here now, and as I said, I will do here integer I equals to 0, and again while keyword with this parenthesis. So I'm putting I less than 10, and this curly braces cout hello code surfer, and never forget to put the end line, otherwise it will be a bit confusing for you guys. Not just for you guys, for everyone else who will look at your code, they will think like there is something error in this code, but though it would be not any error. And then I'll put here I plus plus with a semicolon, and this is what pretty much while loops look like. But let's run this program here, and you can see hello CodeSurfer printed here 9, no, not 9 times, 10 times, but as it is starting from 0 and it's I less than 10, that means it is going till 9, but if you count 0 it will be 10. As we saw in the last video, I'll put here I again to see the number of times the loop has been iterated. So let's see. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 10. So this is all for the while loop, and next video we'll see the do while loop, which is quite different from these two loops, and the do while loop runs in a different manner as well. So we'll look in the next video. So do subscribe the channel and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.